And to wrap up the shortened trading week today, we're seeing S&P at new records, topping over 4,000 for the first time. And the NASDAQ continues to come back, also up about 1.5% today. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, all leading the way here. And the semis are certainly hot, both off of the heels of the Micron report and also with lots of talk about the semi space getting a big boost from the potential infrastructure plan that is out there. The Dow is also in a little bit of a rally today, up about 150 points. But again, many are attributing this rally to the big infrastructure plan that President Biden had put out there. The market still is closely watching bond yields, though, which did dip today. So the 10-year dipped down from 175 down to 168, down from its highs that hit 177 last week. That is also probably helping the rally in the NASDAQ space. Data this morning, U.S. manufacturing activity jumped to 64.7 from 60.8 last month. That is a huge number and the biggest number that we have seen since December of 1983. But on the other hand, we got weekly jobless claims, which came in higher, above that 700,000 number, higher than the expectations. But that's all ahead of tomorrow morning's big March jobs number. Even though the equity markets are closed, bond markets have a shortened day. Expectation is for an addition of 630,000 jobs added in March and the unemployment rate to drop from 6.2 down to 6%. Yesterday, ES option data, 472,000 total options traded. Very heavy on the call side. Only 58% of all the options traded were put options. The volume leaders, some options that expired yesterday, end of the quarter. So the end of the month, March, 3980 calls traded 13,000 times. And then end of week, this week, April, 4,000 calls traded 7,800 times. Volatility definitely down a little bit. ES options pricing in a move to the end of next Friday of about $58. And as I just mentioned, we're looking at volatility in the NASDAQ space. The vol-Q down to a year-to-date low of right around 21. Big announcement from the CME with regards to Bitcoin. Starting on May 3rd, the CME is going to be launching micro Bitcoin futures. This will be 1/10 the size of the regular Bitcoin future and is going to be cash settled based on the CME reference rate. This is a great product that should give access to traders, investors, to anybody that wants to get in the space to hedge spot Bitcoin, have a lot more flexibility, and to execute different types of strategies at a very cost-effective way. So that's May 3rd, the CME Micro Bitcoin Futures.